Sunday morning rain is falling.
Hello everyone and happy Sunday. I hope you guys are all doing well, or today's Sunday when I'm filming it. I don't really know when you guys are watching this video, but I hope you guys are doing well. Today, as you guys can tell from the title, I really want to take you through a self-care day in my life. If we're being honest, some of the past few days haven't been my best, and I think a lot of the overwhelming feelings that I've been having can be stemmed back to the fact that I haven't been taking care of myself at all. I really haven't had a self-care day to kind of just focus on doing things that make me happy, and I want to do this for myself, but I also want to do this to document and show you guys, so hopefully it inspires you to take care of yourself a little bit more. So I started off today in the best way that I know how. I woke up pretty early and I got a little bit of a workout in, not really a workout at all. I did some stretching and I did some core, then I jumped in the shower and made myself some breakfast, and now I'm here sitting in my room watching How I Met Your Mother, of course, and I'm gonna get started on my skincare routine. I do this routine pretty much every morning and every night. It's nothing crazy whatsoever, but I do get some questions on it, so I figured I would show you guys in this video. I wash my face with Cetaphil face wash, and it's super gentle. I don't have acne prone skin, so I don't need anything too crazy. But as for moisturizer, I've been using this since middle school. This is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. It's oil free. I love this thing so much. And then after I use this, I'll usually go in with the, what is this? Garnier Fructis Clearly Brighter Anti-Puff Eye Roller. And then I always like to just go in with my Mario Badescu rose water. Again, not a surprise really if you've watched any of my videos, because I've been using this forever, but it just feels like a nice way to end off a skincare routine. I really don't know if it does anything, but I like it. It makes me feel clean.
Back to you. That someday if I leave me under you.
All right, and for my lips, I know this is definitely not a hot take, but I've been using Aquaphor. I've actually never been able to find a chapstick that doesn't end up making my lips more chapped in the long run, and I really like this one. So that pretty much concludes my skincare routine. It's definitely nothing too crazy, which is why I didn't want to make a dedicated video for it, but I'm happy I was able to show you guys in this video. So now I'm gonna finish up watching this episode of How I Met Your Mother, and then I'll probably end up getting changed. All right, so for today's outfit of the day, I think I already have an idea of what I want to wear. Obviously, I don't plan on putting on an actual outfit because I don't even know if I'm leaving the house today, but wearing something like this will definitely make me feel at least a little bit better about myself. So I'm gonna throw on these. Actually, it will look a lot better once I have it on my body, so I'll show you guys in 1 second. All right, much better. I threw on these leggings from Lululemon. These are the Lululemon Aligns in this olive green color. I love them. It literally feels like I'm not wearing pants. And my tank top is from Brand Melville. I also just threw on my everyday jewelry. I don't know if you guys have been able to tell, but I've been wearing pretty much the same jewelry in all of my most recent videos, and I thought this would be kind of interesting to talk about because I personally love knowing the back end of YouTube and brand deals with some of my favorite creators, so hopefully you guys can find some value in this. But these three pieces, so this necklace, this ring, and these earrings back here, were actually all part of a brand deal that I was supposed to do 2 weeks ago with this brand called Ana Luisa. They're a smaller jewelry brand, and they reached out to my management team, and we kind of figured out this entire fun collaboration idea, and because of everything going on in the world right now, they decided to postpone this collaboration, which honestly I thought was really commendable because so many brands are a little bit money hungry and they just want to do their collaborations regardless of what is going on, and Ana Luisa didn't want to do that. They kind of just postponed it and decided it would be in better taste to do it when things kind of calm down a little bit. If I didn't already like the company enough, I really like what they've been doing in response to this entire issue. So if that means anything to any of you, hopefully you guys are able to see that I do only work with brands that I genuinely enjoy working with, and that in the future, I'm going to be able to talk to you about lots and lots of fun jewelry. All right, and as I do my makeup, I think I'm gonna listen to this Spotify playlist that I made a while back. It's honestly one of my favorites. It's just called Happy Days. If you guys didn't know, I do make monthly Spotify playlists. I've been doing this since 2016, so all of them are public. If you guys wanna listen to any, I recently started my April playlist. March, honestly, was one of my favorites, so you guys are open to listening to any of these playlists. If you do end up doing that, send me a picture on Instagram and let me know which playlist you're listening to. That would make me so happy. My makeup is done and I'm feeling good, And now I figure since I have all the time in the world, really, I'm going to give myself a manicure. I'm debating between which color I want to use. Usually I religiously use the SE gel nail polishes because I find that they're the easiest to use. This one's in the shade Fairy Tailor. But today I really want to use this color. It's called Moochie Moochie, also by Essie, but one of their regular polishes, which is incredibly more difficult to use, but we'll see how it goes today. As I do my nails, I think I'm gonna scroll through Pinterest a little bit, slash as I let them dry. I'm gonna go on there. I go on Pinterest at least once a day, so if you guys are like me and you use Pinterest like a 65-year-old grandmother, make sure to go follow me on there. It's a lot of fun. I have so many boards that I add to literally on a daily basis. And I just checked the weather before I started doing this, which probably wasn't my smartest idea. And it's like 65 degrees outside, so I definitely think I'm gonna spend some time outside, whether it's by myself or with my dog or my parents, who knows, but I might end up going for a little bit of a walk later, so that should be fun.
Come and rest your bones with me. Driving slow on Sunday morning. I never want to leave.
All right, wait, can we just talk about this for a second? I did so much better than I thought I was going to. They actually look really good. Okay, wait, so I just went downstairs and I talked to my mom, and she needs to go to CVS to pick up a prescription, and I also need to go to CVS to pick up some things. But since we're going to be going out into the world, we obviously can't do so without a mask and gloves, even though we're not feeling sick at all, just to protect ourselves and protect people around us, just in case we are asymptomatic. So I just looked up a tutorial online on how to make my own mask, because obviously we're not gonna go and buy some when there are doctors and people who are actually sick who need to use those things. So this tutorial was actually super easy, and now I wanna show you guys so you guys can do the same. So let's set up a little DIY, shall we? I haven't done a DIY on my channel in so long. All right, when I tell you that this is the easiest thing ever, I'm not kidding. So first you take one end of your bandana and fold it into the halfway point, and then take the other half of the bandana and fold it all the way over. So you just have one long rectangle. So then you flip it over and take the top half of your bandana and roll it just a few times. It really depends on how big your head is and how much you want the bandana to cover on your face. I figure that rolling it twice does the trick, because then it's able to cover both your nose and your mouth. But then after you've done that, you take your 2 hair ties. Basically all you need for this DIY is a bandana and 2 hair ties, which is again what makes it so easy. So you take one of your hair ties and you put it on one end of the bandana, take the other one and do the same thing to the other side, and then fold in the 2 ends of the bandana into the center, and then it should look like this. So you have 2 little folded pieces and hair ties on either side, and then once you're putting it on your face, it looks a little something like this. So you take both hair ties, put it around your ears, cover your hair, and then you have yourself a little DIY mask. Isn't that great?
I never want to leave.
Our CVS run was a success. We only ended up getting a few of the essentials. I personally needed some things that I ran out of, and I am just stupid, and I have full sizes of them waiting for me at school, but I unfortunately cannot get to them right now. So I mean, I can give you guys a little bit of a haul if you want, but I promise it's nothing that interesting. I got some toner. This was really the only thing that was missing for my skincare routine this morning that I wished I had, so I'll definitely be using this tonight. This is the Thayer's, I don't know how to pronounce it, facial toner with witch hazel and aloe vera formula. I got the unscented one. I've used this a few times and I really, really like it. I also got some conditioner. Again, I have like the family size shampoo and conditioner of this exact same brand waiting for me at school, and I just didn't bring it with me because I was naive when I was leaving school and figured I would be back in like 2 weeks, but that's just not happening. It's fine, I'm fine. And then I got some rubber bands because one of my tasks for tomorrow, since I don't have any class, and I mean it might as well be a Sunday because at this point all the days are exactly the same, I'm going to be tie-dyeing a sweatshirt. I got this big tie-dye kit off of Amazon like a week and a half ago, and I also got a large hoodie from Hanes, and I'm gonna tie-dye this tomorrow. I'm so excited. I thought I got the small tie-dye kit and I just didn't, so now I have many colors to choose from. I ordered on Etsy a pink tie-dye set. So I definitely am not gonna tie-dye pink, but I think I want blue. I just have to figure out my color combinations, but that should be a fun activity for tomorrow. Maybe I'll vlog it, I guess we'll see. But my mom is downstairs making dinner right now, and I think in the meantime, I'm just going to relax a little bit because I've been working just so hard today, and probably pop on an episode of, you guessed it, How I Met Your Mother, and I want to plan some future videos. I have some fun ideas. I just need to figure out how to execute them.
Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call her. It's Saturday. Everybody's busy.
All right, one question for you guys. Actually, two questions for you guys. One, if I did a video about outfits, like comfy outfit ideas, what kind of format would you want that video in? Would it be like a try on, like an outfit ideas video, or a loungewear haul collection thing? Let me know. And also, what types of videos do you guys want to see? I'm making a whole list, and I want specific requests if you can. So leave me all those comments down below. A mullet, you literally had a mullet.
No, that's not a mullet.
What was it called?
No, that's just like, that was good hair.
That's short in the front.
Yes, I'll show you the mullet.
You had a mullet?
Of course, everyone had a mullet. Wait, show a good picture of me if you're gonna show that one.
I mean, you look beautiful. It's just the hair is really funny.
Oh, this is like mullet, yeah. Yeah. Look, Marlene and I had a mullet.
Wait, you have to take the whole pile.
Hold on, picking up our lot.